Southern Rail Fan is the place for amazing videos of all types of trains. Southern Rail Fan, subscribe today.
Okie dokie, we're over at Moody Town. It's about, it's in the afternoon sometime between 2 and 3 o'clock. We're waiting on southbound M693 and northbound B628. B628's already left Bostic, and M693 somewhere between Marion and Sevier or Rocky or somewhere up through there. So I'm not sure if M693 is going to go on down and meet that ethanol train at Thermal, or if the ethanol train is going to come on up and meet M693 at Marion. The ethanol train has Canadian National Leader and a Canadian National Pushing. I don't really know anything about M693 other than he's about 6,000 feet long. So, but that's some boogery looking skies back yon way. I'm hoping that these guys will come on down and we can catch them before this rain gets here. It's going to be a short spell, but they say it's going to be severe weather, high winds, heavy rains. Only going to last for a couple of hours, but still, I'd like to catch these guys before that hits in. So we'll hang out here at Moody Town and see what we can do. Alrighty, we're going to have to catch this guy in a torrential, pouring rain. Crazy. And I'm sorry my windows are all fogged up. I've been looking through a Trains magazine. Alrighty, he's gonna go on down to Thermal and meet this northbound ethanol train, so we'll hang out here and wait on him. Okie dokie, we moved down to Jacktown because I want to take the little missus out for supper, and we've been waiting about an hour on this northbound B628, I believe is what he's calling. I don't know if you can see there. Finally, up there, got a clear signal, so he's by Pharaoh. And the only thing I can figure out is they must be having some signal problems. Do you see that? Still lightning and thundering in the area. And they must be got some kind of slow order going on, because he passed that train we just now filmed at Thermal, which is only 2 signals in that direction. And you know, it's been over an hour. So but anyway, we're going to hang out here at Jacktown and catch this Canadian National pulling and pushing empty ethanol train before supper comes. Alrighty, here we go. Undoubtedly, they must have a 10-mile-an-hour speed limit restriction for one reason or another. Maybe for having signal problems or something. Always nice to see the foreign power. That'll be our trains for today, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.